Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to zip files on Windows 11. So here we have a couple of PDF files, one image, and inside this folder we have a small video. So our task is to zip them. It is super easy. You just select all of them at the same time, right click, and then you just go to the compress to, and you'll see a couple of options. We'll explain this later, but right now it's the zip file. So click zip file and it will create a zip file in the same folder where you are. So right now we're on desktop, so that's why it created here. So we'll just rename it as test. And we can also see like the file size. Let's check that. 26.9. See, it's gonna be similar because we didn't use that much compression. It's slightly reduced, but I'll show you later how to do more compression if you want to. So if you go inside this folder, you'll be able to see the files and folders we zipped. Okay, we'll close it now. Okay, so if you want to do any other format, or if you want to do, if you don't want to save it here, you have to go to the compress to and click additional options. If you click here, you will have more options, like you can use other format. Let's go with the zip. That's what I was doing. So you just you can store, deflate, and you can use the compression level, and you can use this to save where you want to. So this is how you zip files on Windows 11. If you have any questions, you can leave them below in the comment section, and also subscribe to our channel, please. Thanks a lot.